What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean, the motherfucking boy, back with another video, and I'm back, and we here. I don't want to get copyrighted. Ooh, 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 ooh. I already see it. So I already got a new car. Bring over here. So he's gonna pull up the whip. Damn, nigga, Smokey.
What's
Your
up?
bitch ass. Say what up.
Yeah.
Goddamn, nigga.
Where you going?
Nigga, I got my car. It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
This nigga got drop off?
I gotta drop
Oh,
off.
you doing big things.
You already know, nigga.
Big things.
So yeah, I already see the car, but they're gonna bring it over here.
It's over there.
Yeah, I see it. So they're gonna bring it over here. So this is my new whip. I used to have the Honda Accord ELX. No, EXL, yeah, EXL V6 engine. So I got myself something a little bit different. Ilka doesn't really like the color. She don't really like the car, but I don't give a fuck. It's what I like, and this is what I wanted. So they're gonna pull it up right now. And it's lit. Like baby shit. You bugging, thank
Will
you.
you ride that?
Go back inside the house.
No. Sean.
Bugging out. I love it. Ooh, wait, hold on. I'm not even gonna show y'all yet. He's pulling it in for me.
Oh my god, I cannot believe this is our car.
Ooh, and look, and when I dip the shit in black,
That's fire.
fire.
It's nice. You're bugging.
You bugging.
You're bugging.
Do you see why it's better
It
than
is
silver
nice.
than the black?
Yeah,
You see the black accents all over.
yeah. So you already know. If
Sir, 1, 2, 3 in the
yeah.
house. Congratulations, my brother.
Ilka, stay hating. Ilka, you hating. Ilka, you hating.
Got the keys now. I'm gonna show y'all Jimmy right here. I'm gonna show y'all the car now.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Ooh. Ooh. Can't show the license plate. Got a Honda Passport. Ooh. This shit look nice, nigga. This shit look nice. I'm a big boy now. Woo! Go ahead, don't. Nigga, I'm back. I'm back. Ooh, wait, let's go inside real quick. Hold on.
You go outside.
Ooh.
Nice.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Look.
This is big. This is a big body.
Oh my god. Hell yeah. Mad room too. Mad room.
Oh, this is nice.
Thanks to this guy.
1, 2,
got
3.
it.
You do it all. Stop playing.
This is nice, Sean. I
Thank
like
you.
it.
Don't worry, I married a hater. Nigga, you better be careful. So we're now
Congrats.
taking it for a test drive. I got my cousin with me.
Yeah, I love it.
So yo, not for nothing, this shit is nice, man. Got navigation now.
Where should we go?
Nice AC. Great on fuel. It cuts off every time you break out a red light.
That nigga is for
Lit.
it. Say, yeah.
Before I get copyrighted. Anyways, I love the car. Picked up Shamik. Having a little get together at the house. It's gonna be chilling. Come on.
Colorful weave you make up this beat.
Fucking dumbass.
Let me record for you. I got you. Yeah, look,
I like to say.
God forbid.
Yeah, I mean, I love the car. Ilka right now, she's upset about it, but she will learn to love the car. I think it's just because it's a bigger body. You know, she will love the. Bitch, do not even get upset. You,
Yeah, her ass.
Fuck you doing? You're not even in the bike lane, bitch.
Sean,
I see you, ma. Yeah, you see me, ma.
what's up? All right.
Shit, I'll show you how this engine roar.
Roar.
Nah, but let me stop. Yeah. So I got a Honda Passport, 2020, touring,
20.
fully
car,
equipped, big car.
Bigger family.
Yeah.
Right. Speaking that into existence.
Yeah. But this is it right here.
This is nice. Look at the interior.
The interior is nice, full screen. The audio in here, fire too.
Nice speakers right there.
I'm gonna take better care of this car than I did the other one. I do miss my other car though. But yeah.
Demonetized. Demonetized. Oh my goodness.
Alright. We'll be back.
She said,
But
everything you
shouts
do
out,
is
shouts out, shouts out to my hater. Shouts out to my hater.
Number one.
She, not that she doesn't dislike the car, she just feels it's not what she will see me in.
I see you the sports cars speeding down the middle
Yeah.
of the street. Oh, she looks so
But-
not a fucking box. Like you're about to have 20 kids.
The next car will be different, but right now this is what I wanted, and yeah, it'll work out. It will work out. You will learn to love it. I know you will learn to love it. You will learn to love it. Don't get married, guys. That's how everybody does. Don't do it. It's a trap. We here. Who's the killer?
You.
who do you want to kill tonight?
Better not be me, son. I swear to God.
Please kill him.
Damn, my son is.
Detective, open. Doctor, doctor, open your eyes. Doctor.
So, have a little get together in my crib. We vibing and shit. Me and my boy Pedro, we're gonna go make a cold run. If you know what a cold run is, it's a cold for the hookah. Cause my wife and her fucking friends wanna smoke all the fucking cold in a week. 10 pieces of cold, 10 packs of cold in a week. This is why I don't fucking give y'all hookah no more. It's all good.
Nobody cares, Chanel. Bye. Bye, Chanel. Fuck out of here. She always want to drink everything and then fucking leave. Fuck out of here.
Oh, y'all ain't know
What's taking you so long?
Wait, pull the white door.
Oh God, shut up.
Wait, pull the white door. Wait.
Oh my bad.
That's all right.
Yo, you drunk?
Yeah.
Yeah, she a little bit schmiz. I ain't gonna hold you. I can tell she a little bit schmiz. Where you park that?
Sweetness, when you park that. Sweetness, put that ass back. Got nobody to eat that. I'm fucking
What
with
song
you.
is that? That song sounds fire. What song is that? I like that.
It's B.I.G.
Oh.
Oh, you know B.I.G.
Oh, she got a Hot Wheel. I see you.
Yo, should I push it back to get it started?
You just think it's gonna make fun of me now.
Yo, could you imagine he's like editing his videos? He's like, damn, I look good.
Wait, focus! It's your boy, Sean the boy, back in the mother scene, and I'm here. I'm with the guys right now. We barbecuing, just because. You already know who that is.
Who am I?
Tommy, aka Lil Macy's. Right here, we got Pedro, aka P. What's good? What's going on?
That's
P.
it? That's it?
And we got Enrique, que lo que, Kike.
Enrique?
Hey!
Enrique. Who called me Enrique? No, don't call me that. Esteban the Vigas.
We here. There goes wifey and And my little brother, Suli's inside. The one, yeah, I already know who that is. We're not gonna get into that. But anyways.
Show me your low ass. Show me your low ass.
It's a little,
Show me your shorts.
it's a little. Show
me
my
your
shorts. I'll show the shorts today.
Show me
You know, so some light.
Show 'em the grill.
Those are what you call, what type of trees is these?
palm tree.
Palm trees. These ain't weed trees.
Show him the grill. Show him the grill.
The grill?
Don't
yeah.
show
I'm
the grill.
No, don't show the
No,
grill.
no, it's fine.
I
Oh shit! Fuck it! Fuck it!
Yo,
Look.
this is mine right here. This one right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
I did that.
So we got the burgers. We do got some glizzies.
got the
Don't judge us.
glizzies.
Don't judge us.
Yo,
Don't judge us.
get my man's hair.
For these two.
Get my man's hair. Get my man's hair. Get my man's hair. It's like a Penelope.
But no,
What's up, Penelope? Yo, I'm not feeling that joke.
I'm not.
I'm not. I don't get it.
I don't get.
I don't get it.
Anyways, hopefully, you know, other people come. I invited, you know, I'm not that popular yet. I'm getting there though. My niggas is out here though. They out here. They out here. And Abraham. I'm gonna do a close up like this. Look.
He's at
Coming
the beach.
for you.
He's at the beach with all the wifeys.
Her, you just take everything. You don't
Hey, yo.
just take everything.
He just take everything.
Hey, yo. What the fuck you talking about,
He
B?
just take everything.
You just like, come on, son. You rather be in the sand.
You fucking
You
vacuum.
could be on concrete. In the pool. Don't gotta walk to no car, nothing. Free
You
food.
just said you could be on the concrete in the pool.
That's true.
What's up, bro? It's lit. And it's a hot day. It's my guy. Wait. We got green brims over here. Just let them know that's a green brim, not no black nasty, not no gray. That's a green
Hold on.
brim right there.
96 bros.
Oh, we got a gray brim over here.
My
That,
man got stickers on his breast.
Yo, I'm from the 90s. I'm sorry.
whoa. Yeah, I take my shit off. I'm not coming for you though. It's
You should though.
nah. Why?
That shit was in style,
Nah, that's
bro.
that shit.
That shit was in style
At the
like 90s
beginning,
and the 80s.
but then it will always, you know, you keep it fresh, but then the sticker starts fucking up.
Remember niggas had red monkeys and they'll keep the tag on them? Show
Oh.
the price.
Of course.
That shit was crazy.
Even the True Religions just keeping that tag.
You gotta make sure you flip it again, bro.
Nah, I'm done.
Damn, son, not they
I fucked it up.
they said this ain't my house. Sean better get his ass to that fucking grill, nigga. They hungry.
Show them the stress on your ankles.
Yo, this nigga's a fucking annoying, son.
Yo, son, that's crazy.
That shit, yeah, I don't think it's
Niggas drank 6 beers.
Damn, these shits looking.
looking real slow right now, man.
Why they?
He did a horrible job, man. What he did, he grabbed each one right by the edge.
I'm gonna make sure it's good.
Nah, it's not cooked. Don't do it. Salmonella.
Oh, get something
This
else.
nigga can't wait.
Yo, is my glizzy
Come
ready?
on, nah, B. Oh, I'm about to say.
Is my glizzy ready?
Probably.
Let me see that glizzy, son.
Hey, yo.
I got you right now. Hold up. Flip that.
Ketchup right there.
Take that. Nigga, I does this, man. Bam. Delivered.
I can't wait.
Delivered. Go ahead. Wait, what you gonna put on that?
I'm gonna put a little ketchup,
Ketchup?
put a little mustard,
Mustard?
and then this white sauce right here you got.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
Wait, did I put another one there
Let me
too?
know if you need more white sauce.
You want the other one too?
Yeah,
Yo,
duh.
can I let some fireworks up though?
This nigga want the gizzy.
Yo, what up? It's the kid 50 Cent. And you now dealing with the hottest YouTube channel in the world, showing the boy, you know the deal. Shade 45.
Took it back 2002.
For real. Damn, the lightning is bad over here. Hold on.
I'm not doing
It's not gonna break.
it. Yes, it is.
No, it's not, nigga.
Alright, it's not gonna break. So if it breaks, it's on you.
It's not gonna break.
Yo, what's good with you, man?
This nigga always wanna exercise. All the time. Oh.
Oh, you one of them gym niggas, huh?
Yeah, he's one of those, nigga. Goes to sleep late, wakes up around 10 o'clock. Eats an egg with the shell, nigga.
You eat the shells too?
Yeah, nigga. That's how this nigga do, bro. Look. Oh, he like it sloppy though. Yo! Yo!
Son! That's on the floor. They're on the floor. Son! Hey, yo!
Yo, that's it. Pedro took one for the team and he's like, fuck it, nigga.
First Lizzie down.
Fuck it. Fuck it. First Glizzy of the summer. How was it though? Delicious.
Niggas said delicious.
Delicious.
Yo, this nigga Sean's gonna let me have sex in his car.
Anyways. Hold on.
Delete
Oka.
that.
Hold on.
Stay away from
So after our little ass barbecue I just had, Ilk was driving my brand new car, and she better not crash it. Move up in the seat.
I did. That's it, Sean. I'm good.
No,
Sean.
move up closer. You wasn't that far. Move up closer. Right there. Now put your foot on the brake. Put it
I
back.
have it on my brake. I have it on the brake.
You're
right?
reaching. I see you reaching. Get comfortable. That's it. Right there.
I would run away.
Be careful. Pulling out.
I'm going, Jimmy, come on.
Turn a little to the left a little bit.
Yo, turn the light on me.
So she's pulling off now.
Oh, why am I so close to this
Keep
car?
going straight.
No,
keep going
you're-
straight, keep
you're
going
going
straight,
straight
keep
that
going
way.
Go straight.
Okay. Oh my god.
Don't be scared.
No, stop. Go straight that way.
Yeah.
Turn more. There you go.
Okay.
Now start turning. Turn.
Jesus Christ. I fucking hate. Can you turn this light off, please?
I need like,
Can you
yeah.
put on Meg the Stallion?
Can't, no music, can't get copyrighted.
Wait, I feel uncomfortable a little bit.
Make it right.
Sean, I am. I'm looking left and right, damn it. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Fuck, you're so annoying. Just let me drive. Okay, thanks, darling.
Not gonna let y'all miss nothing. She's been doing great. She drove my old car. She drove this car yesterday, last night. Not so bad. She got a little bit of a heavy foot. Slow down.
I am slow. You
Slow
say
down.
slow down when I'm already slowing
Slow
down.
down. Go.
Got me
The
thinking.
most I've done is like 60
You done more than 60.
or 80,
You
I
about to
think.
go 100 right now,
She
though.
did like 80
She want to go to 100.
I did do like 80 ends. You're right.
because
Jen
I
told
had
you.
to tell you slow the fuck down.
No, I'm talking about.
There's a big middle compartment, though, so this shit
No,
huge,
it's
B.
so
Yeah,
spacious.
maybe I could put a head in there.
Hey, you should. Coming for you, Jamal. Hey, you still recording?
Yeah.
Turn that shit off. That ass. You took my shit right now.
Yeah, Sean, can you turn the camera on?
I'm turning it off because I want to turn
Okay,
it off,
look,
not
I
because
stopped
they
at the,
told me to turn it
I stopped
off.
at the white light. Should I go up more? I mean, the white light.
Oh, shit.